Crocodile.
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 Yeah.
There's
So many crocodile.
many crocodiles in many sharks.
Oh.
The ocean is so blue. Oh, is that
Ano
deep?
na lang?
Can we swim in there?
No.
No, you can't. You can't.
Stop. There's a bite.
The crocodile will bite us.
Yeah.
Oh no! Can you catch the crocodile first so we can swim in there?
Naon sana siya lang? Naon sana si Lily?
Makan sa ship. Makan
Siya nag-away. Sa daw? Sa daw?
I wanna watch more daw.
Ay, kanina yung cellphone gigamit.
TV. Kay matog na.
Ay, sleep na, sleep. Sa badum din. As mama, nas lahat.
Bong.
Oh,
Nangayo beto sila kuan. Kuan na ako sa imong padala. Pang lechon sa kuan ni Lola.
bala ka din.
Ha?
Bala ka din. Kaya pa di ay. Kaya pa di ay.
Ako lang kuan na istoryan sa Tylee. 10K daw.
Ha?
10K.
Nga, okay pa rin.
Sige na, bakay bahala.
Kuwan pa ko makauli oy. First week of March.
March pa ka?
First week.
First week.
Kuwan pa man meron. South Pacific pa man mi. Maabot ni mga February 20. Ay, lol.
Dali ikaw okay dayo. Sakit sa akong naong. Ay.
Ay, Lindoy.
Ay, yoyo.
Are you a boy? Are you a boy?
Yes, I am a boy.
May TV na rin.
You talk to Yoyo. Oh, you talk to Yoyo. Okay, mag-uli na si Yoyo. Yoyo will come home soon.
Okay, TV off.
What do you want from Yoyo? You want chocolate? Pahambog siya yo. Oh.
I have some chocolate, oh. Oh.
Pa ba?
Wow, what's that?
Oh, what is it? You tell Yoyo.
Oh, no. Oh, I have chocolate, oh.
Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Oh, you see the chocolate?
Chocolate, oh.
Oh, so many. Garotos. I like that.
Oh, chocolates, oh.
Oh, so many chocolates. Oh. Oh. Too many. Thank you, Yoyo. Thank you, Yoyo. More.
Oh, I have milk, oh.
Wow.
Medyas.
Maybe.
Sarap.
Ano ka, is that for Lily and Lily and siya? Maybe. Tamo ka na mo dito. Mga kaayo eh.
Nung rock.
Yeah, kay chocolate.
Pangit pa naman Brazil.
Ito ni say Kanay chocolate. Thank you.
Ay, wow, what's that?
Big truck. Big truck. Hey, bagoy kay.
Where's your Barbie?
You want a Barbie doll? Hala. You want a Barbie doll, Liloy? No.
Last boy.
Barbie doll.
You want a Barbie doll, Liloy?
You want Barbie doll? Okay.
Yeah po daw. Si Liloy, yeah.
Where's the Barbie?
Oh, yeah.
Where's the Barbie? The Barbie
Bye.
doll?
Where is the Barbie doll daw, you?
Wala pa.
Pagani, pag ikaw.
Mag-bye pa.
Let's wait for Yoyo to come home. Are you excited to see Yoyo? Yoyo Bongbong? Are you excited?
I wanna see the sea.
So daw, sea? Oh, here's the sea. Look, oh, sea, oh, big sea.
Oh, it's so nice in there.
It's the water diet. There's so many space.
There's so many. The wave is so big. Look at that.
Nasi, bawas ko. Nga nila, unindot siya na. Igot na lang ni mo siya i-spray ba na nga ni dia.
Down in fabrics.
Igot na siya i-spray. Pag umagalay, umot kayo.
Ay, oh, nandito.
Nindot siya.
Dagan natin.
Kakat da sili.
Dogi na ugabong.
That
I-spray, pag galay mo na, i-spray na lang. Oh, kakat da siya.
pipe. I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
You want to be a seafarer?
Yeah.
When you grow up, you want to be a seafarer too, like Yoyo?
Yeah.
Aww.
Let's do it. I will be a driver. I will be a driver.
Boat?
No, something on the truck. And this big truck. No,
Wow.
no. I'm not a gun.
Not sakay.
I didn't want.
Laptop. No, di ba? May laptop mo.
Bongga ka. Ako,
Ha?
Going.
bongga ka. Palit og
Nindot yung mouse.
palit og headset na kuan. Na may headset na wireless.
Kuan eh. Nindot niyang kuan, no? Kani kay Bluetooth lang.
Gani, Bluetooth.
Kuan.
Bluetooth na.
Di na mag-charge.
Mag-charge, mag-good po ka na, malubat man na. Gyapon, perdugay kayo.
Dili, oy. Mabalik sa kuan.
Bato.
Mag-base mo siya sa imong kuan lang. Tingnan ko sa laptop. Dili na siya mag-charge. Tingnan ko sa kuan na siya mag-charge. Yeah.
I want to see the sea. Di nakapasad lang din. Ang yala, oy. Tired feel nyo, oh. Away, pakita-kita, may magsigod. That Yoyo is inside na. His room.
See you.
Saka, oh, dali na yun. Watch. Oh, look, oh.
Sige man mong dagat. O, napuntang dagat.
Oh, so nice.
Nanay, big frame, Nanay.
You ask him.
What's that?
Sige.
You are working in the ship.
Unsa daw?
Why are you working in the ship daw?
Because there's a lot of money here.
There's a lot of money there.
What's it?
Why do you love many monies daw?
Huh?
Why do you love many money?
Because my face is like a money.
Mukha siyang pera. Do you understand? And then what else? What question? Ask more question.
Because in the Philippines, no money.
No money in the
No, there's no money in the Philippines. Our country is so poor.
Chicken. Ginako. Loy, you want a Barbie doll?
No.
Yan ba Barbie Daloy?
You want Barbie doll?
Bayot. Bayot, ang galoy. Si Kuan ba no? Jancy ba?
Bayot kay siya bung oy. Bayot kay
Bayot
siya.
yan eh.
Kuan kay siya nga pagkabayad siya, hinhin kayo.
Nagkuan ko na sungog-sungog ko. Bayot noon.
Di gyud bayoton jud siya.
Di ay. Chika kayo. Ipa tanggal na ni Kuan. Patabong siyang makmak.
Niya si Kuan na lang, lalaki man gid tong manghod.